Hello guys, it is Abdulsalam Abdulaziz from Salmi Dev Pro. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a well-crafted humanoid content and SEO optimized one with ChatGPT for any of your flyers you wish to make as a post on your Facebook pages or any of your social media handles. Your ChatGPT account like this. You might be running it either on your phone or your PC, your laptop. Then there is a prompt I will provide in the comment section. So you just copy the prompt and then you come to this plus sign to upload your content, your graphics content. It might be a flyer, design, or anything you wish to make post with. It might be your picture. Then after you uploaded it, you click on send. Click on send like this. After you have sent it, ChatGPT will do the thinking and you will get the result. Now, for instance, you see now, this is our generated content. Not too long and not too short. Now, after you have already copied the content you generated, the next thing is you come to your Facebook and you click on this photo or video to upload your flyer or any design work you do like to post. Let's say for instance this is what we want to post. After you uploaded it, you paste the content. When you paste the content like this is what we are posting now. Come to this number, your contact information that was being included. Deleted it and use +234. When you start to input your phone number, your WhatsApp link number will pop up like this. Then click on it. Even if it is on your mobile phone, the same thing will happen. Just let it be like this and then click on this also. Check if the WhatsApp message is being checked. Check it, because if your post is being made public, when it's being made public, anybody that click on your post, they will be redirected to your WhatsApp. So with that, you need to let it be checked like this. And checking, that one is asking for location. You can choose your location and click on next. When you click on next, you see this page pop up and also click on post. After you click on post, your content will be made public this way, like this. And this is the correction I was saying about our WhatsApp line the other time, like this one. Anybody that click on it will be redirected to this phone number on WhatsApp. So we won't be having more than this. Thank you for watching. If you gain anything from this video, kindly like, share and subscribe, and we see you next time. Thank you.